Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create animated subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow out the steps properly. And here we go. So first of all, open up the application and open the files inside Premiere Pro. After opening the target files, simply drag them on your timeline. Now click on Windows and then text. This will open up the text dialog box inside the application. In here, simply go over to Captions tab and click on Create Transcript. A new dialog box will open up in front of you and ask you to select a bunch of preferences for your captions. Simply select the speaker labeling like this and click on Transcribe. It will then automatically render the text inside the upper left box. Now, to select the duration and format, click on the CC button inside the text box. CC means Create Captions, and also change the preference to your liking. This will determine the formatting and size of the captions. The captions will be based upon these settings, and after saving it, it will automatically format the captions based on the settings you just saved. Now that you have created and added subtitles to the video, it's time for the animation. To animate the subtitles, simply click on Essential Graphics on the right side menu, then select the subtitles you want to animate. In my case, I want to animate all of them, so I'll select all the text files from here. You can change the font, language, size to your liking. And I'm going to select the Gothic font. Let's make the text a little bigger so it's clearly visible. Now you can select the position of the subtitles along with its color, stroke, and shadow. To convert the captions to graphics, simply go over to Graphics and Titles, and then upgrade captions to graphics. Now we'll add the animations by going to Transform tab and then dragging it into your text you want. And tweak the settings and effects to your liking. Now, one thing that I want to mention is if the video isn't running smoothly, then simply render it. And then export it in 60 frames and you are done. I'll show you the results of the video.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming today. Hi everyone, thank you for coming today to talk about AI. I believe that artificial intelligence is the most exciting development in technology today. It has the potential to change the world in ways we can't even imagine. As we all know, AI refers to machines that can learn, reason, and perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence.
And here you go. So that's how you can create animated subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.